Sweet makhana recipe. Hey guys, I'm Nisa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a healthy snack with makhana. This is a perfect after meal snack, especially if you like something sweet after a meal, or this can be had as a healthy evening snack. So let's get started with the recipe. To make sweet makhana, into my cast iron pan, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon desi ghee. Just spread the ghee around the pan. Once the ghee is lightly heated, I'm adding in 3 cups of makhana. And on medium to low flame, lightly roast the makhana. Make sure you stir the makhana on and off so that it does not get stick to the bottom and get burnt. I'm actually making some coconut vinegar, and since this requires some heat, I have kept it near the gas stove. To check whether the makhana is roasted, just take one makhana and simply press it with your fingers, and if it gets crushed, then makhana is roasted. Okay, now the makhanas are nicely roasted. I'm switching off the flame and transferring the makhana to another plate. Okay, I have transferred the makhana to another bowl. Heat the same pan and I'm adding in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut and lightly roast the coconut. Remember to keep the flame on the lowest, otherwise the coconut may get burnt. After about a minute, you can see the coconut has started to turn light golden brown. Now add in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of jaggery and allow it to melt on low flame. I'm using organic jaggery. Now if you like more sweetness, you can add in another tablespoon of jaggery. Adding jaggery depends upon the sweetness you like. Once the jaggery has melted, add in about 4 to 5 crushed cardamom, green cardamom, and give it a mix. And then add in the roasted makhana. Mix it very well so the makhana is nicely coated with the jaggery. This is a great healthy snack option, especially if your kids like to have something sweet after a meal. And once the makhana is coated nicely, switch off the flame and allow this to cool down completely, and then you can transfer this to an airtight glass container. And this will keep good for up to a week at room temperature. If you like to see more such healthy recipes, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button so that you can stay updated when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.